Well, we have a lot of travelers from South America, Australia, and we are trying to open our market to Turkish people. That's why we are here.
Thank you very much for accepting the interview and being with us here in Travel Tour World, EMITT 2026. So can you briefly introduce yourself and the company?
Yes, thank you. I'm Valeria. My company name is Dimensione Sicilia. So we are a DMC specialized in Sicily and south of Italy.
Can you tell us about what are you offering and what is your...
Yes. We offer all kind of travel services in Sicily, either for individual or groups. We have regular departures tour, and we can also offer tailor-made itineraries.
How are you finding this event this year, EMITT 2026?
I think it's a good exhibition with a lot of market and possible job
Opportunity, no?
yes,
Possible.
yes, good opportunities.
Super.
Questo in caldo.
Sì, le tarde.
Don't worry.
Yes.
What strategies is your company doing to reach more markets, new markets? So,
Okay. Well, first of all, visit the country to let them know that we exist and present all of our services. And then we also have our Instagram page, our website. We do a lot of Google advertising.
how are you adapting yourself to the new trends, new preferences, like on different targets?
Yes, we are always very. We try to follow the trends because that's what people do. And try to adapt our itineraries and our services to the traveler preferences. So, for example, sometimes it is trendy to do excursions or to do cooking classes, wine testing, etc.
Which countries or nationalities are visiting you the most, and which new markets you want to attract?
Well, we have a lot of travelers from South America, Australia, and we are trying to open our market to Turkish people. That's why we are here. We have direct flight from Istanbul to our two main cities, which are Catania and Palermo.
And can you tell me something about your eco-friendly or sustainable practices?
Yes, we have a certification, Travelife certification, it's an eco label, and we try we do our best to offer eco services, and also at our office, our main we try to be green.
Super, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.